So I would like to explain to you and give you the whole picture of this classical text. I am sorry to change the topic. Today's subject matter was Abhyas Vairagyabhyam Tannirodha. As Dr. YS3, my director, fixed up the subject matter for me, I little what with his permission and your permission change it. First, you understand this one, it will be easy for you to understand anything in the text. Now, Yama, Niyama, Asana and Pranayama, these first four rungs are called Hatha Yoga. Many of the Indian writers, I feel sad, Hatha means they say use your force. No. There is nothing like violence in yoga anywhere. You see, you don't have to overdo, pull your muscle and then suffer. Some teachers use their force, put their knees on the spinal column of the student. That's crude. Hatha does not mean using the force. Ha and tha, words are abbreviation, letters are abbreviation of the words hakaram, thakaram. Hakaram is moon, thakaram is sun. There are two breaths. They are used for these two breaths. That's why it is called Hatha Yoga. Now, I would like to tell you how Hatha Yoga came into existence. Patanjali mentions about posture, but then it is up to teachers to mention it. The science of Hatha Yoga is only 100 years old, and the codifier of that science, it existed before, but the codifier of that science is Atmanand Suri. He was a grastha. He was a householder. He was not a Swami. He was not a renunciate. Yet, his method is used all over the world. Postures. You see. Now, this science is limited up to this first four rung. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, not even these first two, but two, asana and pranayama. Various postures. Many postures are learnt by yogis from the trees, from the birds, from the animals who live under the water, in the water, even from cobra, you see. Here human being became active to know from all kingdoms, kingdom of animal, kingdom of birds, kingdom of human beings. This science developed only 100 years ago. Developed means systematized and organized so that others can follow and study this science. This is called Hatha Yoga.